riding the Spark, and this is a motorcycle.
This is the Sparks electric BMW motorcycle.
What's your BMW motorcycle button? Cool motorcycle sound.
Cool. Turn it on, Spark. Ooh, that's a cool motorcycle noise. How does it go, Spark? Show us. The electric motorcycle goes about 3 miles an hour and is great for little children like the Spark. How old are you, Spark? 3 years old. It has training wheels that help little kids, and it has really awesome detailing. It's got the BMW emblems, the chrome pipes, the chromed brake calipers. Looks like a real motorcycle. It is really slick as you're riding down the road.